This is a tutorial on how to invoice a customer through Connect. For training purposes, we will be using information from shuttle number 503. This is the front page of the route sheet of shuttle 503. Note that shaded grids are special pickups. If there is an entry in the shaded grid, the customer needs to be invoiced and charged. In this example, the driver has collected special recordings from Orange Coast Title Company in Santa Ana. Some companies have many title units under one roof, and these title units may have different account numbers. It is the responsibility of the billing clerk to charge the correct unit by carefully observing the information entered into the route sheet by the driver. Since it is the driver who is in the field doing the pickups, he or she would have a better understanding as to which title unit had recordings and which did not. As an example, Chicago Title in San Diego has 2 units as NCS and Builder Services. Both these units have 2 different account numbers. It is very important that the billing clerk carefully observe the information on the route sheet and bill the correct unit in Connect. After that important note, let us now continue with the billing tutorial. Now we need to turn over the route sheet and view special information entered by the driver. Here we have more information about the special recordings picked up at Orange Coast Title Company. The counties for which there were special recordings are Los Angeles, Orange, Imperial, and San Diego. We need to enter this data into Connect so that the customer can be invoiced. In the Connect menu bar, click on Dockets. From the drop-down menu, click on Status. Non-invoiced docket. We need to narrow the search by selecting the date and courier ID. In the date range, enter the date in both fields. Enter 503 as the courier ID. Click on Filter. Click on Orange Coast Title Santa Ana. Press Enter on the keyboard or click on the View button. The docket for this pickup will open. Now click on Docket Items. Make sure that Automatically Total All Docket Item Amounts is checked. Click on Add. The Add Docket Item dialog box will appear. A docket item is for administrative and accounting purposes. It is used to invoice and charge a customer. We now enter the first entry on the special section of the route sheet. State and county should be entered in the category group text box. Charge should be entered in the customer text box. Each customer will have different charges. Charge for a customer should be verified by Synargo Accounts Department. Order number of the recording and name of the title officer should be entered in the item description text box. Click on Save. The first entry will appear as a docket item. Rest of the information in the route sheet are entered as docket items. Once all information has been entered, click on the Main tab. Make sure that the final charge for the customer is correct. If you need to charge more customers for this date, click on Status to go back to the search.